Hey guys, this is Flutter under minutes and I am Sanjeev. In this video, let's see how to add a scroll bar on scrolling a list view. To add a scroll bar, we need to grab the list view with the widget named scroll bar. Or restart the app. Now on scrolling, we would get a scroll bar. If we are not scrolling, the scroll bar is hidden. To change this always shown must be set true or to restart the app. Now in default the scroll bar is shown every time, and let me change the thickness of the scroll bar. Let it be 10 or to restart the app. Okay, it is square in shape. Let me change the radius dot circular. Let it be 10. Okay, that's all. We have added a scroll bar to the page. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.